Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer W-2 corrections workflow in Social Security W-2c, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer W-2 corrections workflow in Social Security W-2c, start by gathering all necessary documentation. Ensure you have the original W-2 forms that require corrections. Access the Social Security Administration's W-2c form, which is designated for corrections. Fill out the top section of the W-2c with your employer information. Include your employer identification number, or EIN. Provide the tax year for which the corrections are being made. Enter the employee's details, including their name and social security number. Next, review the original W-2 for the fields that need correction. Correct the amounts in the corresponding boxes on the W-2c form. If you're correcting multiple fields, ensure each change is clearly noted. Attach a brief explanation of each correction you are making. Double-check all entries for accuracy to avoid further discrepancies. Once completed, print the W-2c forms. It's crucial to ensure these forms are legible and formatted correctly. Distribute the corrected W-2c forms to each affected employee. Send a copy of the W-2c form to the Social Security Administration. Keep a record of all submissions for your own files. Monitor for any confirmation or correspondence from the SSA regarding your corrections. Be prepared to respond to any inquiries related to the submitted W-2c forms. Finally, maintain open communication with your employees about their corrected forms. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth transfer of your W-2 corrections workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.